Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to post an announcement on Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to share important updates with your team in a way that stands out from regular messages and grabs everyone's attention. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main interface where all your communication happens. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a navigation panel with several options. Click on Chat and then select Teams and Channels. This section displays all the teams you're part of and the various channels within them. It's where you'll find the right place to share your announcement with the intended audience. Now locate and click on the team where you want to post your announcement. This could be your department team, project group, or any other team that needs to see this update. Selecting the right team ensures your message reaches the correct people without cluttering unrelated channels. Once you're in the team, click on Post in Channel. This action opens up the Compose box where you'll create your announcement. You'll notice it looks similar to a regular message box, but we're about to transform it into something more eye-catching. Look at the format tools at the bottom of the Compose box. You can see an announcement icon among the formatting options. Click it. This immediately changes your regular post into an announcement format, which gives it a distinctive appearance that helps it stand out in the channel feed. Now it's time to add your content. Start by inputting a headline for your announcement. This should be short and attention-grabbing, clearly stating what the announcement is about. Think of it as the subject line that will make people want to read further. You also have customization options to make your announcement more visually appealing. You can adjust the background color by selecting from the available color palette, or if you prefer, you can add an image background. These visual elements help your announcement stand out even more and can align with your company branding or the nature of the message. Additionally, you can add a subheading. This is optional but useful if you want to provide a bit more context or organize your announcement into sections. The subheading appears below your headline and helps structure your message. Then input your message in the main text area. This is where you'll provide all the details your team needs to know. Write clearly and include all relevant information so recipients understand the announcement fully. While typing your message, you can highlight any text if you want to make it bold, italic, underlined, or strike through. These formatting options help emphasize key points or important dates, making sure critical information doesn't get overlooked. Simply select the text you want to format and choose the appropriate option from the formatting toolbar, and that's it. You've successfully created and posted an announcement on Microsoft Teams that will effectively communicate important information to your team in a professional and noticeable way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.